Hi, my name is Imad Malik from Catalyst ERP. Today we're going to take a look at our advanced field sourcing app. This app allows you to set up custom fields, allowing you to source information into these fields from saved searches. These fields can then be sourced onto other records, allowing you to access data from multiple records. This can be deployed onto one or multiple records. In today's example, we're going to be looking at the customer record. So to start off with, we have our custom record, the custom field sourcing, where we define the different fields and the data we would like to source. So in this example, we're looking at the customer record. We've put in the destination field ID, which is our custom field that we've created, the type, and then a default value if the system can't find a value. We're then following that along with the save search. The save search is defining the parameters in general that we're looking for. So in this case, open credit memos for a customer. In the search filters, we're defining how we want that search to then be filtered down by every instance. Because this will be running on every single customer, we want to define how does it know that this is that customer and how to filter down the transactions. So we're using main name is any of ID, ID being the customer ID. These parameters can be expanded by adding additional elements as required. All you need to do is type into this field as required, adding additional filters as needed. In this example, we're just seeing that I've added an and we can continue adding multiple parameters by adding the square brackets as required. If we go back to our normal filter, we also have our run order. The run order defines the order that these processes will run in. So we can have 10 fields and they'll all run in a particular order. This allows you to source information from one record to another record as required. Going to our save search, we can see it's a standard save search being marked as public. Criteria is credit memos at the top level that are open. And in the results, we've got a single field summing up the amount. So how much value have we got on our credit? All the other information pieces are exactly the same. We haven't changed anything. The system then uses the search filters when it's running a process to determine the value it needs. Taking a look at the customer, we can see that we've got a new tab at the bottom for reporting data. This is where the process is run from, and currently we have our custom field. You can manually run this by ticking the box and saving the record, or you can run it using a mass update or another process. We'll be able to see the last time it ran, and also on the left-hand side if it failed and what the reasons are. We can also see our custom field for our open credit amounts. So if we save this now, we'll see that the system will now run, recalculate the value based on the preferences that we set up in our field. So we can see it's the same value, but it's now updated to run on the time that we've just run it. If we look at a different record where we've not got a customer that's been updated already, so we go to our customer list and we select a different customer, what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to run the process for that customer and then we can have a look at the value. Again, we're just going to the reporting tab, and you can do this on a one-by-one basis by just simply going in and clicking the run custom field sourcing, or this can be run with mass updates, scheduled mass updates, a workflow, etc. And this process can be defined not only on the customer record, but on the item record, on any other record, as required, as needed in your account. If we go back to our reporting data, we can see the process has ran. Because it wasn't able to find a value, it's put the default value in there. That concludes our short demo on the custom field sourcing process. It allows you to source one or multiple pieces of data into your different custom fields, allowing you to set the search filters as required based on the saved searches that you need. If you have any questions on this app or any of our other apps, please reach out to us at Catalyst ERP. Our details are in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.